In other news now, Justice Mohammed Umar of the Federal High Court in Abuja is threatening to commit the lead defense counsel for Hon.sowore, Marshal Abubakar, for contempt over rudeness in court. He was rebuked for raising his voice in court. The judge ordered Sowore's lawyer to come out and kneel down in open court. Senior reporter Celestina Area has more.
The day's proceedings commenced with the defense lawyer, Marshal Abubakar, cross-examining the prosecution's witness, Siri Unosike, a DSS official, for about 2 hours. Abubakar also tendered copies of newspaper publications, some of which he later gave to the witness to read from. The prosecuting lawyer announced the closure of the prosecution's case and applied that the defense be called upon to open its case. It was at this point trouble started. Justice Umar asked Mr. Abubakar when the defense team intend to open their defense. Abubakar said the defendants will make a no-case submission and suggested that the court should adjourn until a date in July. The prosecuting lawyer, Akinlolu Kehinde, objected and argued that it was part of the defense dilatory tactics intended to further delaying proceedings. He suggested that the case be heard on a daily basis. The judge said it was not feasible to hear the case on a daily basis, but directed parties to return on April 13th for adoption of their final written addresses in respect to the no-case submission. Mr. Abubakar seemed uncomfortable with that date. Mr. Sowore, however, from the witness box, addressed the court on how the proposed date might affect his party's upcoming primaries. His lawyer also simultaneously began addressing the judge, narrating how his client was poised to wrestle power from President Tinubu. At this point, his tone was at high fever pitch. Attempts by the judge to make his lawyer lower his voice was unsuccessful. Justice Umar was forced to issue a stern warning with a threat to commit the defense lawyer for contempt. The judge seemed to have been further infuriated and ordered Sowore's lawyer to kneel down in open court. But other lawyers led by a senior advocate of Nigeria swiftly began pleading with the judge to pardon the defense lawyer. While the lawyers were still upstanding begging, the judge pronounced the case had been adjourned until April 13th for adoption and rose for the day. Sowore is being prosecuted by the Department of State Services for allegedly making false claims against the person of President Bola Tinubu in a post he made on his X and Facebook accounts. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.